Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. It's the 28th of March, 2023. And you see that 2 minutes ago that was snow. It's let's see here. 11:24 a.m. The day started out gray and nasty and it's snow. The stuff dripping off the house is water, but there's snow out there once you get away from the house. Oh, hey, that's pretty good. I'm almost centered I'm almost perfectly centered. Hello, Poppy here. As you see, we're in the computer room. Uh, haven't been posting much because I haven't had much to say. And you know how that goes. Nothing much going on here. Waiting, hoping that someday it'll be warm again so I can get out and shop and, you know, get back onto the projects. Anyone out there has a spare water tank cap for a Mr. Coffee espresso maker? Poppy needs one. The one in my espresso maker went crack and it won't hold water no more. I get a volcano of hot wawa. That's no good. And Amazon has a couple for the neighborhood of $28 plus tax and shipping. It'd almost be better to get a whole new espresso maker. But that's not in the budget, so it ain't going to be happening. I would consider fixing it, but I don't have no plaster or spackle or Dowman's Fix All.
Yeah, you know what? It stays good.
Anyway, can't think of how to fix the damn thing. So if anyone out there has one of them, it's like an extra, hey, let me know. I need it. So I do. They call it atmospheric river. If it was snowing in Clear Lake, we're like 1,200, 1,300 feet above sea level. Can you imagine what it's like in the Sierras? It ain't turning into this really, really cold rain that was snow 40 feet up.
No, but it doesn't tonight, that's different.
Yeah, we're wondering, is it going to keep on and turn into big fat snowflakes this evening. Stay tuned for further results and developments. Good night from Clear Lake.